When setting up a business banking platform, understanding the initial funding requirements is an essential step for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners. For those exploring digital-first financial services, NorthOne operates as a financial technology platform providing business banking solutions tailored to modern companies. When opening a small business account with NorthOne, the platform requires an initial opening deposit of $50. This initial deposit must typically be completed within a specified window after account approval to fully activate the banking features and begin managing business transactions, expenses, and digital payments. While there is a required initial deposit to get started, the account does not maintain an ongoing minimum balance requirement once it is active. This means business owners can use and manage their available cash flow without worrying about penalty fees for dropping below a specific threshold. Reviewing these setup terms helps ensure your business capital is properly aligned when transitioning to an online financial platform. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.